Muhammad S. Ahmed. What is your full name?
Yes, my full name is Muhammad Shaheen Ahmed. You can call me Shaheen.
How are you, Muhammad Shaheen Ahmed?
I'm good, sir. And you?
Alhamdulillah. I'm great. So where do you live?
I live at Michigan in USA.
What do you do in Michigan?
I work at Amazon.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my family.
And do you know Sayyid Aminur Rahman? No, he's a student of
Yes, Aminur Rahman. Is he also live in Michigan?
Yeah, he also lives in Michigan. He works in Amazon.
He works in Amazon.
Yeah, he has white beard. His test was yesterday, and so I asked the same questions to him, and he answered the exact same answer. I live in Michigan. I work in Amazon.
Yes.
These are the things.
But now a time, lots of people work at Amazon because the other company before close. Now you open the company, but everyone Bengali or Arabic people, most of the people work at Amazon.
Yeah.
Amazon always hire people.
Yeah, he said I asked about it yesterday, and he said that he works with where he works in his office. There are 25
Yes.
Bangladesh in his office. Do you live alone or with your family?
No, I live with my family.
Another next question is: do you like American food or Bangladeshi food?
I like Bangladeshi and Arabic food. I
Not
like
American.
most Bangladeshi food. Arabic is all of them not halal. But
No,
most of
not
the
other than the haram foods. What about the rest of the foods?
yes, sometimes I like, but not always. I like always my food, our food, Bangladeshi food.
How many hours do you work every day?
I work at every day 10 hours, but 40 hours in a week.
40
My
hours.
schedule is 4 days in a week.
Yeah, the same pattern, same pattern. So you have
Yes, everyone like this at Amazon. 40 hours is mandatory. Then another 3 days they give us extra shift. Then we chose. Sometimes we chose. Sometimes we don't choose. If I chose, I have to go to the work. If I don't go, they cut our unpaid time, PTO time like this.
So working 4 days a week suffices your needs, all your needs.
My wife and I work together at Amazon. That's why we can survive.
Understood.
But one person can't survive in this country. If one person work, can't survive. Everything is expensive now there.
Even in Michigan.
Everywhere.
So why are you learning English?
I learning English because I want to speak fluently with my colleague, with my manager, with my process assistant. I have been trying to learn English from 13 years. I couldn't speak English properly. Always I try to watch YouTube something, but I don't know how to learn because I don't have any mentor. That's why when I watch your Facebook, Times IT Facebook, then because I understand everything, most of the 60-70% I understand, but I can't speak English. Now I can speak because before I couldn't understand can, could, should, shouldn't, couldn't. Now I can understand. I can speak with my manager. Manager said, nowadays you can little bit improve. I told them I try to our teacher teach them like this. That's why because I can't.
I guess your test is already done with your manager.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
all right. Muhammad Shaheen Ahmed. All right. So how many hours do you practice every day?
Always I listen audio 10 hours. Always I put my headphone. My manager said, "Why you put what you listen?" I said, "I listen to the audio of." I show him. He said, "Okay, that's good." And after Maghrib, when I come to work, then after Maghrib prayer, I practice English till 10 o'clock. I try to learn because I have been suffering from many years, 13 years. I used to live in England 17 years. I couldn't speak English because I work with the Bengali people in this country. In England, I was in there 18 years, but always work to the Bengali people in the restaurant. That's why I couldn't speak English. When I go to outside, just go to, but can I have a ticket, please? Can I have something, food, please? Can I have apple, please? Just I talk to English, but I couldn't speak English with English people. That's why. Okay. But I came to New York, then Amazon also, lots of Bengali people, no need to talk English. Sometimes with manager, you can talk to English. I used to live in Saudi Arabia. I learned 3 months only. I learned Arabic. But 17 years, I couldn't speak English because I didn't get any mentor or something like this. That's why. Thank you for the Times English. Good
Most welcome.
institution.
So again, it is proved that
My wife also admit your Times English last week. When she saw me, I try. Then she said to me, "I want to learn like this."
last
Then
week, which batch?
75. She started now. She already
Yeah.
class another room.
Okay, yeah, 75. Other
And
or another
yeah,
teacher is taking.
I also student I recommend that you try to learn English with
Yeah, I recognize that. All right, Muhammad S. Ahmed, all the best. What is your full name?
My name is Muhammad Raqibul Hassan.
How are you, Rakib Al Hassan?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine.
Where do you live?
I am live in Habiganj.
Do you work or do you study?
I'm working in madrasa.
How many hours do you work?
I'm work 8 hours.
Do you live with your family?
I live in the madrasa alone.
Why are you learning English?
I'm learning English because I want to go to abroad.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to London.
Why do you want to go to London?
I want to go to London for job.
Do you practice English regularly?
I practice English regularly with my friend.
Do you speak English with your friend?
I speak English every day with my friend.
My question is, do you learn English with grammar?
I learn English without grammar.
Do you like to learn English without grammar?
Yes, I like to learn English without grammar so much.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
All right, Rakib Al Hassan.
Thank you, sir.
You're most welcome. Dewan Zaman. What is your full name?
My name is Delwar Hussain. You can call me Delwar.
How are you, Delwar Hussain?
I'm fine. Thank you, sir.
Alhamdulillah. Where do you live?
I live in Singapore.
What do you do in Singapore?
I work in the construction sector.
Really? But I always see you working in an office.
Because of I attending class, so that's why you just see me in the office. I work as a safety coordinator here. Both is because I have to work in office and also in my work site also. So it's depending on the situation.
Why are you learning English?
I want to learn English because I want to attend some course because that course requirement for some English entry level. For example, in Singapore, one of course name is WPLN is this course is the workplace literacy and numeracy. So if I want to attending my course for the diploma, so and for the entry requirement is minimum level 6. So I think because I cannot speaking in grammatical, so there once I attend the class, so ensure I need to speak fluently with grammatical. So that's why I try to learning English. So this my, and also I believe in English help me to achieve better career. So that's why I choose learn English.
So how many hours do you work?
I work is more than 13 hours. Normally official 13 hours, but it's a depending is sometimes the work site because sometimes I have to need to report to the consultants. So it's might delay.
And if you work for 12 or 13 hours every day, when do you practice English?
It's very difficult for me, but I try my best to practice in English. Sometimes it cannot manage time for practice English, but also I try my best to try to enhance time for practicing English because my aim and target is I need to achieve is speak in English fluently. If not, is I cannot speak English fluently with the grammar. So meaning is I cannot that course I cannot be attend. So and also one thing, sir, previous also I trying to learn in English because problem is I cannot remember is the grammar. So I see on the Facebook Times English Center. So that time I take decision better is if I admission to Times English Center. So it is useful for me and also help.
When are you coming back to Bangladesh?
I have planned after 1 year come back to Bangladesh.
Your test is over.
Thank you, sir.
You're most welcome. Unmute করবেন এবার Omi. What is your full name?
My full name is Musammad Jasmine Begum. You can call me Omi.
What do you do?
I am a housewife.
Where do you live?
I live USA in Michigan.
Why are you learning English?
I learn English because I need to use in my daily life. Whenever I go to doctor and my child's school, I understand, but I can't speak properly. That's why I learn English.
When do you practice English every day?
I practice English every day in night time.
Does your family support you to learn English?
Yes, my family support in my learn English.
Do you like American food?
Not really. I like Bangladeshi food.
Do you cook American food at your home?
Yes, I cook American food.
When will you come to Bangladesh again?
I will come to Bangladesh maybe after 1 year.
All right, your test is also over. What is your full name?
My full name is MD Delwar Hussain.
Where do you live?
I live in Khulna.
What do you do?
I work at Bangladesh Police.
What is your rank?
My rank is ASI, Assistant Sub Inspector of Police.
Where is your posting?
My posting Khulna Metropolitan Police.
How many hours do you work every day?
I work every day maximum 12 hours or 8 hours.
Do you get any weekly holiday?
Sometimes get Friday or Saturday.
Why are you learning English?
I learn English because I want to go to UN mission.
Do you like your job?
Yes, sir. I like my job.
When do you practice English?
I practice English after finish my duty.
Do you live in hostel or mess or with your family?
I live in alone in police line barrack.
All right, your test is also finished now.
Thank you, sir.
You're most welcome. Mohammad Shajib Rahman.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. You, sir?
Okay, alhamdulillah. Where do you live?
I live in Rajshahi, sir. Yes, sir.
What do you do in Rajshahi?
I am a student, sir.
Where do you study?
I live at Bhawanigam Government University College.
Do you like to eat mango?
Yes, sir. I very like eating mango, sir.
And do you sell mangoes?
No, sir.
I heard that the people of Rajshahi or Rangpur and Chapai-Namaganj, all the young boys get to the mango selling business at their teenage.
Yes, sir. Because I dream, sir. I want to go to abroad, sir.
Where do you want to go?
Sir, I want to go to Serbia. Then, sir, I want to go to Italy from Serbia.
How many hours do you practice English every day?
Sir, I practice in English every day 2 hours.
2 hours. Do you like to practice English without grammar?
Yes, sir. I like practice in English without grammar.
Do you find it easy to learn English without grammar, or
Yes, sir.
grammar would be good?
Yes, sir. Without grammar, I like very easy way, sir.
Does your family support you to learn English?
Yes, sir. My family is supported me.
All right, Mohammad Shajib Rahman, your test is over. Aminul Islam শুনতে পাচ্ছেন?
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
I'm fine. And you, sir?
Alhamdulillah, I'm good. What is your full name?
My name is full name Amin Ristam.
Where do you live?
I live in Malaysia.
What do you do in Malaysia?
I work in factory.
How many hours do you work every day?
Every day, 12 hours.
Why are you learning English?
I want to learn English because I want to teach my daughter.
How many hours do you practice English every day?
I want to practice every day 1 hours.
When are you coming back to Bangladesh?
I want to go to Bangladesh after 2 years.
Do you want to change your job in future?
No, sir.
Okay.
I like my job now.
All right, your test is also over.
Okay, thank you, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.